The Bobcat Fork Grapple system is a one-of-a-kind product that turns your standard skid steer forks into a Ford grapple. Installation is easy and straightforward, and with up to 7,000 pounds of hydraulic pushing power, built from heavy gauge steel, there's no job too big or too small for this product. You just slide the Bobcat Fork Grapple system onto your standard 4-inch wide skid steer forks, you hook up your hydraulic lines, and you're ready to take on any size job. You can move boulders, plant trees, remove trees, lift logs, remove tar and cement, lift hay bales, move industrial products around a construction site, and much, much more. You can pick up construction materials, place them precisely in position, or where you want them in your truck bed. This product has saved contractors up to 6 hours of work time per job and has reduced labor hours of workforce up to 70%. It's a dream come true for the logging, the landscape, construction, and the demolition industry. If you're tired of having the product roll off your forks, you need a system to complete any job, then the Bobcat Fork Grapple system is what you need.